Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you a bunch of pants. The theme for the April issue of Seamwork is confidence. And sewing your own pair of pants is definitely going to make you feel confident. You might also notice that our studio got a little makeover. We're actually in the middle of a studio expansion here at Seamwork. And Sari has actually been tracking our progress in the magazine each month, so don't miss her articles each month as we expand. Our new video set here is still in progress. We actually just assembled all of this IKEA furniture yesterday, so you might notice it looking a little bit different in the next couple of videos. But enough about our space, let's meet this month's patterns. They are both pants. The first pair of pants in this month's issue are the Joss pants. These pants are perfect for a beginner because they have an elastic waist, which can seem a little less intimidating than a zipper to some folks. These pants are supremely comfortable. They have a trendy wide leg, the rise is pretty high, and they have two easy to sew, generously sized patch pockets. They are cropped at the ankle for a nice swingy wide leg fit. There are 3 pattern hacks for the Joss pants in this month's issue. Chelsea is going to show you how to add these patch inseam pockets. She's also going to show you how to crop your pants into some really comfortable shorts and add a fun tie detail at the waist that eliminates this gathered elastic waistband. As far as fabric goes, you have a bunch of options. The pattern recommends medium weight woven fabrics like cotton twill, linen, and linen blends, some denim, probably on the lighter weight end of the denim scale, chambray, and rayon twill. Keep in mind that these pants have wide legs, so you might not want to pick a heavyweight, really stiff fabric unless you really want to emphasize that wide leg fit, and that would make a pretty big statement with your silhouette. If you pick a fabric that drapes nicely, you'll get a lot of breezy movement when you wear these pants. It also just makes them really comfortable. Something that has a bit more body will also be comfortable, but it's going to, again, show off that wide-legged cropped fit, kind of emphasize that silhouette. For this sample, we used a washed linen in Cactus from Blackbird Fabrics. Blackbird Fabrics always has a really great collection of linen in their shop, and you can probably trust any linen that they carry, and it would be a great option for this pattern. For the pattern hack sample, we used a slub rayon linen in this really bright, fun denim color from fabric.com. This really bright pop of color is a great option for these pants. As you can see, the fabric that we used for these samples are pretty similar in weight and drape. They have a little bit of a different content, but they're pretty similar. If we had used something with less drape, you wouldn't see this much movement while you're wearing the pants, so just keep that in mind. Next up, I'm going to talk about the Nolan pants. We're really excited about these pants because we put together a new class that will help you sew this pattern step by step. It's the first time that we're hosting a class at the same time as a pattern's release, so we hope you'll join us. You can find the class over in the classroom, and you'll be able to sew these pants along with us right now during this month. Our pattern maker Robin is hosting the class, and she's super good at making pants. We go to her with all of our pants questions, so you're going to learn a bunch of things from her, so don't miss that class. Okay, on to Nolan. These pants are pretty rad. They are perfect for taking your sewing skills to the next level, especially since the theme this month is confidence. So remember, you can do it. These pants feature a bunch of utilitarian details, like oversized pockets in the front and the back. They also have sturdy belt loops and a really great cuff detail on the leg and 2 fly options. The main pattern comes with a regular zip fly, and the member bonus pattern, which is available exclusively to Seamwork members, comes with an exposed button fly. We will show you how to sew both of these fly options in the Nolan video in the classroom. I love the silhouette of these pants because they have a high rise and a slightly pegged fit on the leg, but overall the fit is somewhat relaxed. It's not baggy, it's not oversized, but they're fitted in the right places without feeling really tight and restricting like skinny jeans. I'm excited to show you these 2 samples because the 2 fabrics that we picked are pretty different, so this will give you a good idea of your options. First up, for the main sample with the zip fly, we used a Brussels washer linen. It's in a color called pink clay. We got this on fabric.com, but it's a Robert Kaufman fabric, and it's widely available. I love working with their Brussels linen. It's one of my favorite fabrics to sew, but I am a bit of a Robert Kaufman fangirl. It's probably one of my favorite fabric companies. This fabric has some movement, and it's not a very strong bottom weight fabric, so it's going to make the pants have a little bit of a softer silhouette. You can use lighter weight fabrics for these pants if you want that softer silhouette. Just keep in mind that you'll be installing a zipper and belt loops, and if you make the member bonus version, you'll need to reinforce your fly area to support all of those buttons. On the bonus pattern here, we used a heavier fabric. It's a Ventana, hope I'm pronouncing that right, twill from fabric.com, also a Robert Kaufman fabric, yay. So this twill has a tighter weave than the linen. It's sturdier, thicker, and it will not drape on your body as much, but it will create a more structured silhouette, which actually looks really great with these pants. It emphasizes their utilitarian design, which personally I like a lot. Some other fabric options include medium to heavyweight wovens. You can use denim, twill, linen, or even canvas if you want a real structured silhouette. So those are the patterns. We hope you love them. Pants are a really great project if you're looking to take your confidence up a level when you're sewing. That is the theme for this month's magazine, so I hope you're going to check out some of the articles that we have in the issue as well. Taylor sewed the Nolan pants, I made the Joss pants, and we both talk about how sewing those projects affected our confidence. We also have a great article from Saki Jane about how making mistakes is an important part of your creative practice. So don't miss that one, she really put a lot of heart into that essay. And don't forget to check out the Nolan class in the classroom so that you can sew the pattern along with us step by step. It's gonna be really fun. Do you have any questions about these patterns or this month's issue? Just comment and let me know. Otherwise, we will see you next month. Happy sewing!